Join us for a quick tour of the Universal Terra Luna Resort, which is located right next to Universal Orlando's all-new theme park, Epic Universe. In this video, we're giving you our thoughts about the hotel, including what it's like to stay here, how close it is to Epic Universe, room types and pricing, all the amenities, Universal hotel perks, and dining options. And before this video is over, we'll share with you a little secret we have been using to save on our recent hotel stays. First up, let's talk location. If you're coming to experience Universal's Epic Universe, Terra Luna Resort is about as close as you can get. The hotel is situated just across the street from the Epic Universe entrance, literally about a 10-minute walk, or you can hop on the complimentary shuttle that runs every 15 minutes. That means you can easily take breaks during your park day or pop back for a midday swim or nap. Plus, you're only a short drive from Universal Studios Florida and Islands of Adventure, making this a super convenient base for your whole Universal Orlando vacation. Now, let's talk rooms. The standard rooms are modern and spacious, with 2 queen beds or a king bed, a mini fridge, and a sleek bathroom. Rates here are a great value. As of summer 2025, standard rooms typically start from around $149 per night on weekdays, and exceed $200 on weekends. There are no resort fees on top of the nightly rate, but self-parking is very expensive at $30 per night. During the last week of May, we were able to get a pass holder rate for $126 per night. So if you are an annual pass holder, definitely check to see if Universal is offering any specials. Overall, for the quality and location, we found Terra Luna to be a fantastic deal, especially compared to some of the higher-end Universal hotels. Since we're talking about hotel rates, now is a good time to make you aware of a hotel booking website that we have recently started using. Planin.com is a fairly new site that offers travelers savings of up to 40% on their stays at over 2 million hotels worldwide, including those in the Orlando theme park area. So if you're considering taking a trip in the near future, you might want to sign up now to see what discounts are being offered. Scan this QR code or check out the link in the description below to create a free membership account and get started. One of the best reasons to stay at Terra Luna is the Universal hotel perks you get. Here's what's included. Early park admission. You can enter Epic Universe and certain other Universal parks up to an hour before regular guests, a huge advantage for popular rides. Free shuttle transportation. Buses run regularly to all 3 Universal parks and City Walk. Resort-wide charging privileges. Use your room key to charge purchases throughout Universal Orlando. Complimentary merchandise delivery. Have your park purchases sent straight to your hotel. While Terra Luna doesn't include free express passes like the premier hotels, you can still buy them separately if you want to skip the lines. Let's talk amenities. Terra Luna has a gorgeous resort-style pool with plenty of lounge chairs. There's a 24-hour fitness center with brand new equipment, a game room, and a Universal Studios store in the lobby for last-minute souvenirs. The lobby is bright and futuristic, with plenty of seating and charging stations. There's also a dedicated Universal Vacation Planning Center, where you can buy tickets, book tours, or get advice from Universal experts. The hotel offers free Wi-Fi throughout the property, and we found that speeds were acceptable for web surfing and video streaming. When it comes to dining, Terra Luna keeps things casual but tasty. The main eatery is the Omega Cafe, where you will find everything from made-to-order pizzas and burgers to salads, sandwiches, and a few international options. The Omega Market serves Starbucks drinks and pastries, and a poolside bar called Moonrise Bar for cocktails, mocktails, and light bites. There's also the Luna Bar in the lobby for a refreshing cocktail after a hot day at theme parks. Prices are reasonable for a theme park hotel. Expect to pay about $12 to $18 for entrees and $4 to $6 for coffee drinks. If you want more options, City Walk is just a quick shuttle ride away. So, is Terra Luna Resort worth it? Absolutely. For the price, you get a modern, comfortable hotel with all the Universal perks, just steps from Epic Universe. It's a great choice for families, couples, or anyone looking to maximize their time at the parks without breaking the bank. If you have any questions about Terra Luna or Universal's Epic Universe, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more Florida-themed park and vacation information. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the parks.